In this video, we'll first add a controller where we'll configure our brain tree. So we'll go to our admin, and in here, let me add a new controller. We'll name this brain tree controller. So in here, we need to get our brain tree gate class using dependency injection. In order to do that, we will have a public iBrainTreeGate. We'll do a control dot here to include utility. We'll call this _brain. We will have the getter and setter. Then we need a constructor and we'll set it. Perfect. Then within index, what we want to do is we'll add our gateway. We'll create our gateway using _brain dot. We have the get gateway in there, which if a gateway does not exist, we'll create one. After that, with Braintree, you will have to create a client token. This will be gateway.clientToken.generate. Once this token is generated, you have to pass that to the view. Now, I do not like using viewBack, but since this is not a part of the project, I will not spend time on creating a view model. I will just add it in viewBack because I want to show you how Braintree works. So inside viewBack, we will add client token, and this will be client token. ViewBack can be used to pass some data from your controller to the view. It is an easy way to pass the data and it will be available inside the client token. But I do not like it because rather than this, you can create a view model for this page and you can pass that with the view model. But here, this is not a part of our project. It is just a bonus content. Hence, I'm just adding a view back so I can show you. After that, we'll return back to the view empty. Here, we will just do a random transaction inside the HTTP post. This looks good for HTTP GET. That being said, let me also add HTTP post method here. Now what we will do is we will add this view. Here on the top, we need to define area, and area will be admin area. Once you do that, let's add the index view. We added that as a partial view, but do not worry, we'll fix that. Once the view is added, let's continue working on this in the next video.